Good morning, guys. So today is October the 13th, aka my freaking birthday. It's getting like 5:30 in the morning. And I went to sleep at like 2 something in the morning. Not a good idea, but it is what it is. Anyways, today's my birthday, and I'm just gonna be taking you guys along with me as I get ready. This is gonna be a long video because I'm gonna vlog my birthday dinner. Anyways, I just wanted to start this vlog before I go to the shower because I'm gonna look like a mess right now and I'm gonna look better later. But these are my nails. I got my nails done yesterday.
I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. Someone said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said, motherfucker, someone said.
No. We're not even gonna get into how these weren't even my original nails, but it kind of sort of just happened. But these are my birthday nails. This like lipstick shape. It's still pretty. I just went to a nail shop and got it, but it's how they look. Pretty decent. They're alright at this point. Like, we're not even gonna get into it. And also, if you didn't peep, I got my braces off, so turn me up. But I sound dead. I feel sick. But I'm gonna take a shower, get my hair done, show you guys my outfit. We're gonna go to school together because I'm driving to school today. Like, yeah, it's gonna be a great vlog. So if you guys enjoy this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials. I hate starting my videos looking a mess, but I always end up doing that. But yeah, I'm gonna take a shower and I'll be back. And yeah. Okay, so I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys my outfit. So for my birthday, I kind of planned it out like over a month ago that I wanted to wear this all leather, all black outfit that I seen on Pinterest. And everything is from Shein. So I got these leather pants. These were in my back to school haul because like I've been ordered these. So I got these leather pants, and then I just ordered the rest of these things I just ordered. So this is I'm gonna try everything on, but this is the leather jacket, super cute. It's like cropped a little bit. And this shirt, I got it in an extra small. I should have got it in a small, but it's still fine. It's just this lace up, long sleeve black shirt. And as for the shoes, I'm wearing these chunky boots. They're super cute, guys. And I hope it's not too warm. It's still gonna be like humid and like kind of like cold outside, but we'll see because this is the fit. And yeah. Okay, don't mind me. I look so bad right now. But I have my shirt on along with my pants. But I'm about to go get my hair done because it is currently 6:20. So I'm going to go get my hair done. I'm going to take you guys along with me, obviously. And I'm going to come back and put my shoes on, my jacket, my jewelry, and all that. Like a freaking Barbie. I'm late, so I'm kind of rushing right now, but it is what it is. I look cute. I just put all my jewelry on. About to go. It's the hair. I went ombre today. I went ombre. You know the vibes. Let's go. I'm going to school right now, guys, and I'm not trying to be on my phone, so I'm gonna see you guys when I get there. Okay, guys, I made it to school now. This hair is such a bold statement. Like, I've done color before, but I've never did blonde before. I don't care because I'm just that type of person that, you know, I go out for my birthday. I'm hyped. I drove to school today, feeling good. But I'm about to go in. I made it here on time. I was stressing, like, I thought I wasn't gonna make it on time, but I'm here. I'm about to go in like a couple minutes. But I didn't even think I parked right, but shoot. I parked all the way in the back anyways. But yeah, I will see you guys later. I got a gift. Everybody keep saying happy birthday to me because you know I'm that guy. Period. Okay guys, so I am back home now. Today was just a really chill, eventful birthday. But I'm going to end this off for today, Wednesday, and I'm going to resume again on Friday. So I'm not going to vlog tomorrow because there's not really anything going on. I'm going to resume on Friday, which is my birthday dinner. But yeah, I'm just going to talk to you guys on Friday. Bye.
I see some things that you might fear. I'm doing a show, I'll be back soon. That ain't what you wanna hear. Now I got it in my room. Legs wrapped around my beard. Got the fastest car soon. Oh, we make it out of here. When I'm with you, I feel alive.
Hi guys, you guys see the face, you know the vibes. I'm in the dark in my room, so this kind of looks a little, ooh, don't play with me. But I'm about to put on my dress. We're kind of super late. I didn't even book a reservation. I took a nap when I came home from school. I was pretty tired. I didn't even want to go anymore. I kind of like turned my dinner into like a family thing because majority of my friends had work, so I just had to like, you know what, scrap it. But I'm about to get dressed. I'm gonna show you guys my dress, all that and all that, flat iron my hair, and then yeah. Birthday part 2. This is Friday night, by the way. Yeah.
Running around for the thrill. Yeah, dog, with my reel. I've been going to the real. No, nothing in back of the bill. Gorgeous, baby, give me all this steel.
Hi guys, so I just took some pictures and we're at Olive Garden right now. We just decided to eat anywhere, but
Cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here.
from Olive Garden, happy birthday to you. Hey guys, it is very much November 4th, but I want to end off my birthday vlog. Do y'all? It is way past my birthday. I just really didn't get to edit in the video, so sorry about that. It didn't really turn out how I wanted it to, but I was like, I looked good. Might as well post a video. But I'm so sorry about that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my socials. Make sure you guys like my birthday pictures. I will insert them right here because I look a mess right now, but I was definitely giving back then. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.